Good morning, student. In the next period, we had seen few concepts related to matter. Now today, we are going to see the different states of matter as solid, liquid, and gases. On the basis of kinetic theory, how they get distinguished, that also we are going to see. Let me first introduce about the notebook. For physics, you require 200 notebooks, 200 pages notebook. So you can purchase it from the market, 200 pages notebook for 8th standard, right? Rather you take 100 pages notebook for a first semester and then 100 pages for the second semester. That you can do. No, that is better. So that you do. Now, what are the different states of matter that we had studied? Solid, liquid, and gases. Third one is gases. I gave an example. Solid, as I gave example yesterday only. So still, liquid, water, and gases, say air, which is mixture of all gases. These are the examples. Now today what we are going to do, we are going to differentiate solid, liquid, and gases on basis of the kinetic theory and all the different criteria those we had studied. Now first, shape. About the shape, if we talk, then what about solid, liquid, and the gases? First thing, if we keep in mind as a shape and volume, then first point we can write solid has a definite shape, and definite volume. Solid has a definite shape as well as definite volume. Liquid has no definite shape but definite volume, and in case of the gases you find gases has no definite shape or volume. If you take an iron block, which is a solid, it has a definite shape as well as definite volume also. 1 किलो का अगर weight आप लेते हो, it has a definite shape as well as definite volume. उसका volume भी उतना ही है. But if you take a liquid, so liquid has no definite shape. लिक्विड को कोई डेफिनेट शेप नहीं है. ओके, जिस बर्तन में आप डालेंगे उस बर्तन का शेप वो ले लेता है. ओके, सो लिक्विड हैज नो डेफिनेट शेप बट इट हैज अ डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम. 1 liter in carry bag, 1 liter in different types of vessel, same. 1 liter means 1 liter means it has a definite volume but shape is different as per the container. In case of gases, we find that gases has no definite shape nor volume. Okay, उसको ना डेफिनेट शेप होता है ना डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम होता है, राइट? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू शेप and volume. Now let's talk about rigidity. मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ सॉलिड आर रिजिड। ये कैसे होती है? ये रिजिड होती है। मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द सॉलिड्स आर रिजिड while the molecules in the liquid are non-rigid. Molecules of liquid are non-rigid. Okay? In case of gases also you find same. Molecules of gases are non-rigid. Okay. If you try to compress the molecule of the solid, then you find it is not possible to compress it. But if it is liquid, then you can easily compress those molecules, so they have no rigidity. Rigidity means what? Hardness. In case of gases also same, the molecules of the gases are non-rigid. Third, molecules vibrate only to and fro about their mean position. ये मीन पोजीशन से टू एंड फ्रो मोशन में वाइब्रेट करती है, while in liquid molecules in the liquid can move within boundary of liquid. Molecules can move within boundary of liquid. But in case of the gases, they can move freely in available space. Molecule can move freely in available place. जहां पर भी जगह मिली वहां पर ये घूमने निकल जाते हैं। ये जो है लिक्विड के बाउंड्री तक ही घूमते हैं, और ये जो है वही के वही टू एंड फ्रो। सेविंग मशीन कैसे करता है, सेविंग निडल, वो इस तरीके से टू एंड फ्रो लाइक दैट दे आर वाइब्रेटिंग। ओके, फोर्थ पॉइंट, सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल रिमेन फिक्स एट देयर पोजीशन। मॉलिक्यूल्स डू नॉट लीव। The molecules do not remain fixed in liquid. Molecules do not remain in fixed gases. So that is not much more important point. Let it be. Intermolecular force is very strong. Intermolecular force is strong. इनके बीच में जो force of attraction है, it is very strong in solid. But in case of liquid, intermolecular force is weak. यहाँ पे कम होता है, and here weaker. Okay, fifth one. In case of gases, intermolecular force is weaker. बहुत ही कम होता है, बहुत कम, negligible we can say. Negligible. Okay, this is how the one differentiation involved. Now here molecules are compactly packed. ये बहुत ही एक दूसरे के साथ पैक्ड होते हैं. Molecules are compactly packed. Okay. In case of the liquid, they are loosely packed. Molecules are loosely packed. ये लूज पैक्ड होते हैं, ज्यादा पैक्ड नहीं होते, लूजली पैक्ड होते हैं. ओके, last, molecules are wide apart. Here in gases, molecules are wide apart. एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर डिस्टेंस पे वो रहते हैं, राइट? ओके, आई राइट एट द टॉप. मैं ऊपर की तरफ लिखता हूं. 6 point in solid. Okay, molecule and solid are closely packed. Okay, ये हमारा हो गया है closely packed, then loosely and then apart. Solid cannot flow. Fluidity, about the fluidity here only, right? Solid cannot flow. Solid बह नहीं सकता है, right? Liquid can flow. Liquid जो है वो बह सकता है. Liquid can flow. और यहाँ पर first, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth. Then this is fifth and then sixth. Liquid can flow. Similarly, gases can flow. So ये जो 6 different points है, sorry, ये हमें स्टडी करने हैं, राइट? ये 6 के 6 पॉइंट्स हमें कंसीडर करने हैं. दीज आर द डिफरेंशिएटिंग पॉइंट बिटवीन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एज वेल एज गैसेस. अंडरस्टूड? सी, सॉलिड हैज अ डेफिनेट शेप एंड डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम. सॉलिड का अगर हम निकालते हैं डायग्राम तो इस तरीके से ये डायग्राम हो सकता है. देखो, ये बॉक्स है, यानी आयरन बॉक्स से आयरन का क्यूब है, आयरन क्यूब. और ये सॉलिड है. इट हैज अ डेफिनेट शेप, एक शेप है. इट हैज अ डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम. लिक्विड जो है, लिक्विड आप 8 लीटर लिया समझो. 1 लीटर ऑफ द लिक्विड हमने इसमें लिया, ऐसे बर्तन में 1 लीटर ऑफ द लिक्विड. अगर मैंने थाली में लिया इसे 1 liter of the liquid, then what I find? Here it is 1 liter, here it is 1 liter, here it is 1 liter. Means it has a fixed or definite volume, but it has no definite shape. Shape of container, shape of container, shape of container. So liquid has no definite shape, but definite volume. And gases have no definite shape, no definite volume. वॉल्यूम भी कुछ डेफिनेट नहीं होता है. इफ यू कॉम्प्रेस इट, मोर एंड मोर गैस कैन बी फिल्ड. इफ लूजली, देन नो, because there is a lot of distance between the molecules of the liquid as well as gases. So second point is molecules of the solids are rigid. Rigid means what? Hard, right? Hard, very hard. So it is not easily compressible. Compress नहीं कर सकते. But liquid molecules are non-rigid, while gases are non-rigid. This solids molecule vibrates to their mean position. Say this is a mean position, and they are vibrating to their mean position like this. So the vibration of the solid molecules with their mean position. Okay. But the liquid, the molecules can travel. Molecules of the liquid can travel up to the surface of the liquid. ये surface of the liquid तक वो घूम सकते हैं. In case of gases, they are free to move. कहीं पे भी घूम सकते हैं, उसका कुछ नहीं. जहाँ जगह मिली, कोना मिला, जहाँ जगह मिली वहां घुस जाएंगे. So molecules can freely move anywhere. कहीं पे भी घूम सकते हैं. Next is intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of the solid is very strong. Solid का ऐसा है, उसके जो molecules है solid के, say these two molecules, there is a force of attraction between two molecules. Force of attraction, and this force of attraction, उसको ही हम कहते हैं cohesive force. कौन सा force है ये? Cohesive. Okay, between the same material. Cohesive force of attraction between the two molecules of the solid is very strong. बहुत strong होता है. Okay, so intermolecular force is very strong. अगर intermolecular force strong होता है, then इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस इज लार्जर, सॉरी स्मॉलर, एकदम छोटी हो जाती है। इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स इज बिग एंड इन द गैसेस इट इज निग्लिजिबल। इसमें ज्यादा इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स नहीं है, बाइंडिंग फोर्स नहीं है, इसके वजह से एक मॉलिक्यूल इधर है तो दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल उधर है, गैसेस में बहुत लंबे लंबे होते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज मॉलिक्यूल्स आर कॉम्पैक्टली पैक्ड। इतनी गैप बहुत ज्यादा बता दी है मैंने, बट वो आपको समझने के लिए है। दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर, बहुत कॉम्पैक्टली पैक्ड होते हैं सॉलिड के मॉलिक्यूल, बट लिक्विड्स मॉलिक्यूल्स आर लूजली पैक्ड एंड गैसेस दे आर अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर। नेक्स्ट, सॉलिड कैनॉट फ्लो। सॉलिड अगर गिर गया तो ऐसा बहता है क्या? नो, इट कैनॉट फ्लो, बट लिक्विड कैन फ्लो as well as gases can flow. So this is the differentiation between solid, liquid and gases. In your book you have the list of the solid, liquid and gases are given, that ice, aluminium, silver, calcium, gold, iron, sodium chloride, sugar, wood, plastic, wax, these all are solid. Liquids are water, benzene, chloroform, oil, honey, glycerine, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, alcohol, spirit and dettol. And gases are steam, air, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, helium, argon, lot of argon, right? So these examples also keep in mind. Next is change of state. Okay, this change of state topic we will see in the next period. This much is sufficient for a day. So again when we will meet on the next lecture, that day we will see how this state of the matter, solid, liquid and gases interchange in between them, right? Thank you.